Hello, so I'm to the north of Ypres in Belgium, about 3 kilometers from the city centre as the crow flies, and here we have a trench system, a British trench system called the Yorkshire Dugout, which was rediscovered when the industrial estate, which is all around me, was being built. The trench system itself, as you can see, it's quite shallow by most standards. What we've got here in entrance, and over here we've got places which were being used by the soldiers for living in. You've got a carpenter's workshop, you've got a pump room, because these places were constantly filling up with water. We've got the remains of another trench, but that hasn't been dug out yet. We also have here a demonstration of how the duckboards were used on an A-frame, raising them up, because what would happen was the duckboards themselves would sink into the ground. When they started using this system, that stopped. Trenches obviously were built in this way to stop anybody firing down the trench should any part of the trench actually be captured. Here we can see where the A-frames were being removed, because the damage in the climate here is such that the oak frames, after 100 years, a large part of which was underground, then they rotted. And here also we have another entrance to the underground trap. Now here the staircase is 20 meters long, 10 meters underground. You can't actually go into it at the moment because it's full of water. And we see these trench systems throughout the Ypres Salient, battles of Ypres, which took the lives, huge, tens of thousands of lives. Now this trench system was built as a direct result of the Second Battle of Ypres, when poison gas was used for the first time, and poison gas was used the first time very close to where I'm standing right now. Now if you're interested, I've done longer videos on this subject. There'll be a link below, and if you click on that you can go to a longer video with much more details. For the moment, from me in Belgium, thanks for watching.